Every jam on a pouch line traces back somewhere. Often, it starts with the fabric. One spec decides how fast you run. GSM variation means weight variation across the web. Tension fluctuates, the web wrinkles, and registration drifts. At speed, misfeeds follow. Your seal window is calibrated for one fabric weight. Thin spots scorch and leak dust. Thick spots seal incompletely, rejects climb. Now count the downtime. At 300 pouches a minute, a 5-minute jam costs 1,500 pouches. Every stop compounds. Favourite Fab Desiccant nonwoven holds uniform GSM across the web, roll after roll. Heat sealable, dust tight yet breathable. Stable tension, uniform seals, fewer stops. Run your machines at rated speed. Visit favoritehub.com or search Favourite Fab on Google. Uniform GSM since 2011.